Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 29th of January 2022. I'm going to talk about Amazon today and give you all an updated stock price analysis. Is this a buy now, or should we still come into the market and wait? And I'll be the first one to tell you, it's going to be about your time purpose. How long are you going to be in this Amazon play? Are you going to be in this for the long term? You might want to wait because price may continue to go down. Are you trying to do this for a short swing play, a short scalping opportunity? Yeah, you might want to take this for a ride higher in price. Welcome to HueFin. This is what I do. If you guys appreciate my videos, my price predictions, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, audio. Excuse me. Make sure you share the video and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out on any of my price predictions. Because one thing I do, I make sure that we get ahead of the game. We want to make sure that we stay ahead of the markets. And the way that you do that is by simply predicting price movement. Now, also, if you guys want to make sure you stay in tune with where I'm thinking the price is going to go for these stocks, you have to come to my playlist. Yeah, you come into the playlist, look at all these stocks that I've covered. You guys can see what my actual premise is right now as of the latest video. This is one thing that fundamental analysis cannot do. Fundamental analysis requires so much time of you looking at a company's fundamentals, books, balance sheet, income statement, earnings per share, what does the market thinks overall about this particular company, that you cannot do all of these price predictions. You can't. So you are literally limiting your options as to where these plays are going to go. One thing about understanding where the market is anticipated just by looking at price bars is that you can actually examine all of these markets to see what play it is. Do you look like the market's going to go up? Hey, grab the opportunity in this stock then. If you think it's going to go down, hey, short the market. You guys get to see more opportunities in these stocks. You cannot do that with fundamental analysis. It takes you too much time just for you to look at Twitter and think if it's a buy for the long term, right? All right, let me get back to my Amazon play. Check this out. I did a video, okay, on January the 2nd. Now, if you guys saw my video on January the 2nd, then you already know. You sitting back pretty because you already knew that you anticipated the price in Amazon to go down. So we're not surprised to see Amazon dip. No, we're not. You guys can see it right here. All right. Now, there was a lot of weakness that came into the market in Amazon at the beginning of January. Now, obviously, since that time, yeah, you will see a couple of market participants think that this is a buying opportunity. I mean, that is one of the biggest mantras being thrown around on social media. They want you to come through and buy these dips, right? They always want you to do that because they see that price is being cheaper. But that may not be the case. Price may become even more cheaper in the long term. So why would you want to come in and buy the market here, Amazon here, if you're looking to hold for the long term? You might have a better opportunity to buy Amazon cheaper. Yeah, cheaper. And I'm going to show you why. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. That was about 7.96%. If you were to get out on the closed trade of yesterday, look at that, 13.62. All right, right there. So now let me get rid of it. This horizontal line all the way up here around 37.50. I need to get rid of it because look at where the price is. It's at 28.79. This line up here has no purpose, none. So one thing I do is I always come in and clean up my charts. If it's not applicable to where price is, I get rid of it. Okay. Now, what do you think the market in Amazon is going to do now? Because obviously we need to think differently. Now, why do I say that? Because the market is thinking differently. Yeah, if the market is telling us something, we need to follow the market because price charts, it doesn't lie. It never lies to us. We broke this trend right here into the market at Amazon around $3,000. Yeah, we need to change our thinking. Instead of us being bullish right now, we need to be thinking a little bit bearish. The market is speaking, and when it speaks, you need to pay attention. So look at this. Yeah, we're weak right now. Now look at this. Okay, look at where the price closed in Amazon on yesterday's last trade. Look at that. Is it a coincidence that the price stopped right here on the lows of these daily price bars? Let me zoom in on this because I want you all to see it. The market is very efficient. Okay, I don't want you all to think that the market is rigged, that it's being manipulated, that it's being, is not to the benefit of the retail investor. You cannot figure out what the price is going to do. That is not the case. You can tell exactly what price is doing. Look at that. So right here on, March the 5th, 2021, the market bounced there, right? Wait, hold on. It did it again in September 2020. The market in Amazon bounced there. So for us to see the market conclude trading on yesterday right there, tells us something. Yeah, the market is working the books. He is making an efficient market. This is his job. This is his purpose, to make sure that he creates an efficient market to show you, give you a heads up as to where price is trying to go. That is not a coincidence. So our attention regarding where Amazon is going to go is going to be very dependent on whether or not we break above $2,900. Yes, right now. So we need to make sure we pay attention to this. Okay. So now let me lower this down, because obviously the market is trying to show us something. So check this out. It's not a coincidence. All of these daily price bars right down here in Amazon has been trading below $2,900. Now, the biggest thing is for us to say, okay, have we seen mostly selling, or are we seeing mostly buying occur into the market in Amazon right now? Because look at this. Now, from the last 5 trading days, I will tell you this. The market is looking to go up in Amazon. Yes, it is. That's what it's looking to do. But considering this massive downtrend that is currently in play, you don't get convinced that we're done going down. Okay. This looks to be a probable pause into the market, to where the market's going to try to trick people into thinking that we're done with a movement down. And then they're going to try to trick you and think the play is going to go up, right? Yeah. So if I'm going to play the strength into the market in Amazon, it's not going to be a long-term play higher. No. Matter of fact, we might just hit $3,000 under that premise. Yes. So let's see this though. Okay, let's look at this on a 3-day time frame into the market in Amazon. So we got an idea. Price is trading. Price has broken this $2,900 price, and you can see a little bit better, right? You can see a little bit better how important that $2,900 price level was. It was very important back here in 2020 and 2021. Amazon decided to break it last week. Cool. No problem, no issues. We appreciate the market giving us these answers. But what do you think? Do you think the market in Amazon is going to come back above this line? Because if so, this is the prime opportunity to come in and cop some of these shares right there. It's already letting us know that. Let's look at this on the weekly. Okay. So look what happened on the last week into the market in Amazon. The previous week was weakness, emphatic weakness. This last completed one was strength. Look at the volume as well. We're seeing evidence that buyers are coming to the market in Amazon. It's pretty much what I'm saying. Yeah, the buyers are now trying to approach this price in Amazon. They see the price relatively cheap, and they won't buy it unless they figure out that the price is going to continue to go up. Now, that's only on the weekly time frame though. Weekly time frame, 3-day time frame, we are definitely seeing strength. 2 weeks, what do you think? 3 weeks, what do you think? Monthly time frame, what do you think? Are you seeing bullishness? Are you seeing bearishness? Let me know. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to play some strength here into the market in Amazon. Now, like I said, I'm not going to be massively bullish. I don't want us to think that the down move in Amazon is completely over. So I'm just going to simply look at $3,000 first. That's the first area for the price in Amazon to approach and achieve higher prices. If the market gets rejected at 3,000, we know that we need to take the bag there. That's 4%. Second area is around $3,100. Okay. It's about 7.5% movement to the upside in Amazon. Cool. And I'm going to continue to follow and anticipate higher prices into the market in Amazon until we see price break $2,700 to the downside. Okay. Now, the only thing that will go against this price prediction is the fact of us seeing price continue to trade below this horizontal line. If we continue to see multiple days of this price in Amazon trading below this horizontal line, then this price prediction that I have on my chart right now is to becoming less and less likely to happen. I already know that. So as this market trades next week, I already know if I don't see this price break above this horizontal line, we know you might need to cut the play already. Okay, so let's not act surprised if we don't see price break back up above this $2,900 price level. All right, so I'm done. This is what I'm looking forward to right now. You guys can see that we do have earnings coming up February the 3rd. So be prepared for some volatility. Yeah, We already saw the price decrease massively following his last earnings in October. So maybe we might get an up move into the market that will actually break this horizontal line to the upside. But we need to get in position. We need to get prepared for it. And pretty much from what the market is showing us, is telling us that they want to lift this price higher. So I'm gonna follow them. That's it. Now it's your turn. Hit me up. Let me know. Tell everyone within our community, what is your price target? What is your price prediction without being confused? Yeah, make this thing public. Put it out there on the street and let everyone else know what's going on. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.